Welcome back to my channel. A lot of people have been asking me how to delete or unsend a message they've already sent out on Instagram. So it's a little bit trickish actually, because if you do it that way, you might get the message deleted at your own end, but the other person at the other end will still have your message. So I'm going to show you how to delete the message both ways. So when you send the message sent to the person will also be deleted, and it will also be deleted at your place. Please turn on your notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's dive right into it. All you need to do is to just come to this place, come to your Instagram. This is your Instagram. Then all you need to do, let me look for a message where we can use for this tutorial. Okay, let me say this is a message. Let me say this is a message here. Now I can delete this whole conversation if I click on it. You can see it. Let me click on it. You can see delete. So you can delete the whole conversation, but the only thing here is the message will appear at the other end. So, but for you now, if you want to delete your personal message, the one you sent to the person directly, all you need to do is this. Just click on the one you sent. Like, let me just click on it, long press it. You can see something here on send. See it? I click on it. You can see on send. So when you click, that will be the end at the other end. So just remember to open your message, click long press on it, and you will see this on sent here. You can see the unsent. So look at it again, the unsent down below. So just click on the unsent. So it will definitely delete it at the other end. Thank you very much. Please like my video and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.